Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe, and remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Hello, Form 1s. This is Mrs. Madumbu. I want to talk about the changes in a mixed economy. So in most countries, the government will control industries such as water supply, electricity supply, education, health, railway services. The list will just depend on the state. So actually, there might be changes that can take place to create the balance between the private and the public sector. And all these changes will depend on the government's economic objectives. So one of the changes might be that the public sector business that is owned and controlled by the government can be sold to the private sector individuals. They will be turned into a business in the private sector, and this process is called privatization. So privatization is actually the process of changing a business status from the public sector industry into the private sector industry. So there are reasons for privatization, but basically these reasons are just to make the business efficient. So firstly, businesses in the private sector are more efficient than the public sector businesses because they aim to make profit. Secondly, some private companies are able to put in or to invest more capital than the government. So once they increase the capital, this increases the efficiency of the business also. Thirdly, the businesses in the private sector usually perform better because there is competition in the private sector. So competition usually results in the improvement in the product quality. Hence, the businesses end up producing better products to attract more customers. So on the other hand, there are dangers or there are problems of privatization. So the first problem is that private owners, when they actually buy the business, they are likely to reduce the number of workers in order to cut the costs. So this will obviously lead to the unemployment problem. Secondly, the private sector business is likely to be concerned with the performance and the profitability of the business rather than the other societal objectives. So they can neglect a lot of things, like they can just charge high prices, which is, of course, a problem to the community or to the consumers. Sometimes they can do some activities that will damage or degrade the environment, like the mining activities, construction activities. Some businesses will also pollute the environment. So in conclusion, we'll realize that it's not only a public sector business that can be turned into a private sector business. The opposite might happen, but this is a very rare situation. So when a private sector business is turned into a public sector business, it's called nationalization, but this is beyond the scope of our syllabus. Thank you.